Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be working through question 5 from the computer practice and the 5th of June 2026 question paper. This question focuses on file structure, one of the easiest sections to score full marks on if you know how to manage files and folders correctly. A file structure refers to the way files and folders are organized on a computer. Question 5.1. Open the Via Africa folder. Make a copy of the Oxford file into the Via Africa folder. Rename the Future Managers file to Pearson inside the Via Africa folder. Sort the contents of the Via Africa folder in descending order according to the file names. Change the display of the contents of the Via Africa folder to large thumbnails. Display the contents of the Via Africa folder. Take a screen print showing these commands, making sure that your header is visible on the printout. Question 5.2. Change the properties of the Oxford file to read-only. Take another screen print showing this command. Again, ensure that your header is visible on the printout. That completes question 5 of the computer practice and the 5th of June 2026 examination paper. If this tutorial helped you prepare for your exam, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the remaining computer practice N4, N5, and N6 tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.